Hello students, now we are going to continue with our chapter propositional logic. Okay, before in the previous PPT we have learned about three steps, three logics about and, or and not. Okay, three propositional logic we have studied at that time, that was and, or and not. Okay, now we are going to study about implication or conditional. Now, conditional means if and then. If A is there, then B should be also there. Okay. So it is applicable to compound statement using the connective if then. The connective if then in the conditional may be termed as implies. It should be symbolically represented as A implies B or A implies B. See here, this is your sign. This arrow sign is your implication sign. Okay, this arrow sign is your implication sign. In and you have studied A dot B. In or you have studied A plus B. Okay, in this A implication B. This sign is also termed as implication sign. It can be read as also A implies B with, see here the sign is there, means implication is an argument, is one argument is true, then the other should be true. Example, A implies B. It means A is true, then B is true. Okay. See here in the truth table as A, B. A truth table A is here 0011, B is 0101, and A implies B. Okay. Now see, students, don't wait. In next PPT, I'll send about you. I'll send about the truth table. Okay, what is truth table and how you are going to make truth table. Now see here, in this condition, if A is true, then B should be true. The condition is here. So then A is true in these two. Okay, so 00 will be 1, 01 will be 1 because they both are true. Here is the condition only that if A is true, then B should be true. 10 B is not true here, so here it will be false, and 1 here A is true and B is true, then it is 1. Okay, so it means only here this condition is false. And always remember students that it is very easy way to track implication where there is 10, where there is formation of 10. See, it is forming 10, then it means this is your implication. Okay, now conditional of this is the implication. We can write implication also A naught plus B. Okay, implication read should can be also written as expressed as A naught plus B. Then how it will be make, here is the table of A, B. Then A naught will be your 1100, it will be reverse, and then A naught plus B will be doing 1. See, A naught, then we will check like that, A naught plus B, A1 1 plus 1 plus 0 and 1. See here the implication and they both are equal. Okay, see here some examples are also here. Some of the examples are, if it is cloudy then we will go for a movie, if it rains then there will be no picnic, if there is homework then I will not play. If it is the issue of just only if and then, if you will let me talk biscuit, then I'm going to drink tea. Okay, otherwise not. This is a very general example for you all. Now equivalence, what is equivalence? It is also called biconditional. Okay, it is A and B are both propositions that equivalence A and B. It is denoted as like this sign. See, double arrow. It is it can be described as A naught B naught plus A dot B, which also means if and only if. There should be, there is only if condition and only not then condition is there. If both are false, then it is true. If both are true, then it is true. Okay, So biconditional is like this: uh, 0 0 1. 0 0 will be 1 because both are false. 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, and 1 1 is 1. See, here both are true, then it is true. Here both are false, then it is false. It is the if condition. Okay, it can be written also A not B plus A dot B. Now here see how it has been proved. For that, A B, first we will find out A naught B naught, then we will do A naught B naught like this. Okay, we have solved it. Now we have solved it using AND operator like this, and then we have used OR operator, and like this we have got the equivalence. We will check the both are equal. Okay, now antecedent and consequent. In this we can say that A is antecedent and B is consequent, because the component which is expressed by A, if, means at the tail of the arrow, is known as antecedent, which is like this as the tail of the arrow antecedent, and the component which follows then the statement header, it is consequent. Okay, see how here you can say this is your antecedent and this is your consequent. Means if it is cold today, then you are going to go out here. Here the first part of the condition is antecedent and next part is a consequent. See, again we are going to just throw a quick revision what we have learned. Connectivities, not connectivity sign is this, okay, and sign is this, and dot or sign is this V and or plus, and this is also known as conjunction, this is known as disjunction, and if then is conditional, known as conditional, and if known as equivalence. Okay, not means as negation, and means as conjunction, or means as disjunctions, if then is conditional, and if only is equation, equivalence. Now converse, reverse, inverse, and contrapositive, this is very important. Go through it. These are very small things, but they are directly asked in your board exams. You are students, pay attention towards this chapter because you are studying about the class 12th. Okay, now converse. The conditional statement should obtained after interchanging of antecedent and consequent is called converse statement. Okay, it is, if 17 is a prime number, then it is also known as two factors. So converse, if 17 has only two factors, then it is prime numbers. Here the first statement is the converse of second statement. See here the conditional statement obtained after interchanging the antecedent and consequent. When we change the antecedent or consequent, means P will become Q and Q will become P, then it is converse. See how with this, see this is the sign of converse for implication. If you will play, then you will go, not go to the party. Okay, now we have to do it converse, means this will become B, Q part will become antecedent. So here it is written, if you don't play, then you will go to the party. Okay, see P has come here, so this is your converse. Now what is inverse? The inverse of a given condition is a new condition whose antecedent and consequent is the negation of original consequent. By this, in this we have, what we have to make, we have to inverse the statement. Both the statement has to be negated, means they will be as not, and then we will write, see, if it does not rain, the sky is not cloudy. Both the statement has negation. The second condition is the inverse of the first condition. No, contrapositive. Contrapositive means a new conditional statement obtained whose antecedent is the negation of the consequent of the original conditional statement, and consequent as a negative antecedent of the original conditional statement is known as contrapositive. See how it will. Example is, suppose if it rains, then sky is cloudy. Now, if the sky is clear, see it is just reverse of this cloudy to clear, then it does not rain. Just we have to it will be opposite of this. We have to write, if the sky is clear, the consequent statement is condition. Negation of consequent statement, the consequent statement has been negated. It has been, if if the sky is clear and then it does not rain. We will take the second example, see how it will be it will. You will play Q, you will not go to the party. Then in the conditional it will be like this, but in contrapositive it will become, if you will go to the party, then you don't play. See, both the statement has been negated. If you go to the party, in the first statement is, it was you will not go to the party. It has become now you will go to the party, then you don't play. Here it is you will play, and it then it will become you don't play. This is your contrapositive. Okay, so students, write this in your class registers very clearly and pay attention towards there. If there is any problem, you can contact me in my personal WhatsApp number. I'll send PDF of this PPT. Okay.